The worst legal advice I have seen NRI husbands consistently get is that once they receive summons from the police, they are given legal advice that you should stay away from India, you should run away from these proceedings, you should not participate. Because if you do come to India, you will face prosecution, you could end up in jail, you could have your passport taken away from you, you will be embroiled in litigation, and that is why it is better for you to stay away from India for the next couple of months or a year or two, and then the wife will lose steam, she will lose hope, she will come to you for a settlement, and then you can settle the matter with her, and then you can come to India. One of the worst legal advice ever NRI husbands very commonly get. And the reason why it's bad advice is because look at two scenarios. One, even if you do come down, if you see that there is a possibility of you getting arrested, get anticipatory bail. I've talked many occasions why a lot of times NRI husbands don't even need to apply for anticipatory bail. Apart from that, you get anticipatory bail, or otherwise you come down, you join investigation, you go back. It's not a problem. We've done it with so many clients, and we've consistently seen others who are not clients, judgments and other scenarios, people who consult us. There's never any problem. Now, on the other hand, if you do not come, what are the consequences? You are, in a sense, presumed guilty because you don't appear. Then lookout circulars against you the moment you land at any airport in the country. In the future, 3, 5, 10 years down the line, you will immediately be taken into custody. And at that time, it will be impossible for you to get bail, because the court says, now how do we trust this man who, despite the police calling him, has never appeared? And now another thing that husband says, oh, I never got a call, I never got summons, it was just a WhatsApp text or an email, how do I know it's for sure? Do not get into the nitty-gritties of the technicalities of whether service is done or not. I say it's better to always reach out to the investigating officer through your lawyer or a relative, coordinate with the investigating officer, and then after taking assurances that you won't be arrested, come join investigation, go back, and then when the police completes the charge sheet, files it in the magistrate court issues summons to you, then you appear once or twice, move an application for permanent exemption from appearance. I say it will take you maybe 2 to 5 appearances coming to India, couple of days, every visit, and you're done. How is it any different from doing your family obligations, coming to India for a couple of days every year so as to, pacify your angry parents and your other family members? Not really. And you avail of your legal remedies, perhaps file for quashing as well. You do all these things. You do not need to abscond, because if you do, the consequences are very, very, very high.